Hey there, welcome to my channel, Case Digital Education, molding our children's future. Now let's continue with our previous lesson, that is the lesson 6, strand 2 cycles and substrand 1 earth signs. And in this lesson, we are going to talk about how day and night is formed, what causes day and night. We'll also talk about the sun and the importance of the sun to the earth. How day and night is formed. When we wake up in the morning, we see the sun rising up in the sky. The sun shines throughout the day. During this period, we see clearly using the rays from the sun, that is the sunlight, and we call this daytime. As the day goes by, the sunshine reduces gradually until we can no longer see it. We call this sunset. When the sun sets and darkness begins to spread all over the earth, we call this night. Now let's continue with what causes day and night. The earth turns on its own axis. And what is an axis? An axis is an imaginary line an object turns around. Let's take it again. An axis is an imaginary line an object turns around, and the merry-go-round is an example of objects that turn on their own axis. It takes the Earth 24 hours to make a complete turn on its own axis. The turning of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. As the Earth turns slowly on its own axis, which is the imaginary lines, the part of the Earth facing the sun rays experiences brightness of the sunlight, which causes day, and the other half of the Earth away from the sun experiences darkness, which is night. And this is why some of the countries, are ahead of others. It's because of how they turn around the rays of the sun. So the part that faces the sun experiences day, and the part that faces the dark part also experiences night. Let's continue with the sun. The sun is a fixed ball of fire, and the sun does not move. The sun is also found in the center of the 8 planets. Let's continue by looking at how important the sun is to the earth. That is the importance of the sun to the earth. 1. The sun gives us light to see throughout the day. During the daytime, we don't have to use our torch lights or any other light except the rays from the sun. 2. The sun gives us heat, or the sun provides us with heat or warmth. Number 3, the sunlight provides our body with vitamin D. Vitamin D is absorbed through the skin and it gives us calcium. Calcium is needed by our body for strong bones and teeth. Now to the point number 4. The sunlight provides the energy plants need to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process whereby plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, nutrition, air, and water. We also use the sunlight to dry our clothes after washing them. Number 6, farmers also use heat from the sun to dry their farm crops such as maize, millet, wheat, beans, cocoa, rice, and many more. And to our final point, which is number 7, We get solar energy from the sun. Solar energy can be used to generate electricity using solar panels. And when we say solar energy means the energy we get from the sun. The energy we get from the sun. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Also, don't forget to like, share, and keep your comments flowing. Thank you. Bye bye.